What are your thoughts on showing properties in inclement weather?
Well, I while it's freezing outside, I think it's good
You see a little,
to
just a little more.
see certain aspects of the home.
Or like pouring rain.
Yep.
How good are the windows?
Yeah.
How
Yes.
much frost is on
How
them?
much insulation? Yeah.
Some pump working.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, that wasn't a shot, Shayla.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I see no harm in it. Like, it sucks getting there once you're at the house. Yeah.
I don't mind like rain or anything in the summer. Winter is tough when it's dark and
I
I find
prefer cold and snow
Yes,
as opposed
rather
to
than rain.
downpour rain.
Yeah.
Really?
I remember a couple years ago, and I had about 5 showings booked with
Yeah,
a set
I
of clients. It was torrential downpour.
Yeah.
And I was
Everyone's
sopping wet
wet.
from the
Yeah.
beginning, and it just it's awful. It's miserable.
Yeah.
I always feel bad for the people's houses too. It's like you
I
come
know.
in and you're like soaking
Yes.
wet and or like it's muddy out and you're
Yeah.
trying to keep the place clean.
fair.
I will say I've shown something in the pouring rain once, and like they described an issue on their PDS. Like it happened, 8 years ago. Like hasn't happened since. When I get there, I had to call the agent. I'm like, the issue on the PDS, like it's happening now.
Right now.
Yeah.
Might have to update that PDF.
Yeah. I'm not going to lie, though. I love when I get to show properties in my rain boots. I just love driving through, like, being like, don't have to worry about getting my nice shoes in. Like, I'm just going to schlep through here.
Yeah.
That's a highlight for me,
I will say
personally.
sometimes too, like clients find it like super cold. Like I had this just this past weekend. Like, here we're looking at all the houses. Okay, we actually like this one. Like, let's walk the outside. Well, we don't have to. I'm like, no, we have to. Like, yeah, like we're going, or I'm going. You don't have to go, but like,
The
I'm
entire
checking
back
it
of
out.
the house could be missing siding.
Yeah.
Those
Yeah.
are things we need to check.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fair. Like, I like flurries, rural showings. I feel like that's always when you get those requests to be like, hey, can you show us this acreage? And then you pull up and there's no driveway anymore. You're like,
Oh,
yeah.
Or when the lockbox is like through, you have to go,
frozen.
or
frozen shut. Yeah, sorry, I cut you off.
Yeah.
But
No, yeah.
I've had that too, where like sometimes when it's like minus 50 something with the wind chill, the lockbox just doesn't work.
Yeah.
And you call the agent and like they can't do anything.
And your
like,
hands don't
No.
work.
And you,
like,
you know what I mean? It's like, I gotta just tell your clients like, sorry, like
That's-
lockbox just won't open.
I showed a house the other day and the key froze to my thumb.
Yeah.
I was like, that's not great. Like,
I will say I appreciate when it is like this, when the agent gives you like direct instructions where the lockbox is. Like the other day I showed up to one and it wasn't where they said, which like I knew I was gonna find it, but it's like it could have been nice not to truck the whole way. Like truck the right way. But like
And when things are shoveled, like a little path is shoveled,
Yeah.
that's always
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Also, it's a good time to see how well people are taking care of their house, right?
For sure. A lot of people don't like shoveling their decks in the winter, but I love it when they do for listings and you can go out and stand on the deck.
Yep.
Look at the yard's done. Yeah. Not that that's really inclement weather, but
no, but
lots
I mean,
of snow recently. Yeah.
well, yeah, because I like foundations are so important here, or grading, right?
Yeah.
You have no like.
Yeah. Which that's the one downside is like
Yeah.
when we have as
With
much snow as we do
snow, yeah.
now, like
Can't
you
see
can't
much.
see the foundation from the outside. Like
No.
Yeah, but there's flips, right? Like,
yeah, of
you know, in
course.
the winter or in the summertime, you don't know how cold the flooring
Yes.
is going to be. Like I
True.
was in a house the other day
True.
and the entire main floor was freezing. Even though there was like a partial basement, it was still freezing cold down there.
Interesting.
Not heating it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then like cracks in your door. Like sometimes those are easy fixes, right? But sometimes they're not. Or like windows.
Yeah.
To
Windows
see
are a
if there's
big
any
one.
leaks and
Yeah.
moisture
Drafts,
All the
that you're
drafts.
getting.
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
this weather, like showing one the other day, there was a actual ice trail coming in from the patio door because the wind was just blowing
Yeah.
right through a seam.
Oh
There's
my
like
God.
literally a ridge of frozen ice in the house. It's like, maybe you want to seal that up.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
furnace is working like overtime.
Oh, yeah, that's another one that you don't, like you test air conditioners in the summertime, you know that
Yeah.
they're functioning, but furnaces, make sure they're pumping out heat.
I hate like when we have empty, like vacant listings this time of year. Because the amount, like we haven't had any recently, but in past years, you go to check on it and it's like 2 degrees in the house and you're like, oh,
Well, and it just
man.
takes one person to flip that
Yes.
furnace switch by accident, right?
Yeah.
And then you're really hooped.
Yeah.
Yeah. If the furnace didn't croak, like,
Yeah, if
Yeah.
the furnace
there's
didn't
lots of
croak.
times
Yeah.
We've had it
True.
where people just flick that
Yeah.
Flick
switch,
the
not
switch, yeah.
realizing that's what this high switch is for.
Yeah.
They're like
the
jumping to
emergency
hit it.
switch. Yeah.
oh,
Yeah.
yeah. We did that when we owned our first house here.
Did it on
Because
our first
I will take full blame for that because
Oh.
I grew up with a wood fireplace. I had no idea that there was a switch to turn off a gas fireplace, and it was like right after possession.
Oh.
Freezing cold. Flick the switch off. We had like people over. It was freezing.
Oh.
Guy comes to service it. He's like, turn this on.
Yeah.
It's like,
I
oh man.
don't think he charged us.
funny.
I think he took pity on our
Yeah.
stupid selves, but we know a lot more now. That's the
A lot more than yeah.
news.
Yeah. That's
We were just babies.
that was our first home ownership. Yeah.
Yeah. So there, we all said we'd do it.
We do it for the client.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not for
Sure.
fun.
Would I pick that day? Probably not.
No.
But yeah, if the clients are still willing to go, absolutely. I'm not canceling.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not checking the weather before I say
No.
yes or no to a showing. If that's what
No.
works, then let's do it.
That's right.
Exactly. Yep. And then just white knuckle.